Hello, guys. I'm back with something new. Oh, what do we got on the bench today? Well, this rather immaculate Nintendo Switch Lite thing is nearly in perfect shape. The screen is not scratched. Everything looks good. Everything's beautiful. So when I asked the guy what was wrong with it, I was told that one was dead. And the other one had like a screen problem, but I plugged this one in, and as you can see, it's very much alive. So what's wrong with it? Well, I was messing around with it, and I figured out that those buttons right there don't work. There's no volume up, there's no volume down, and you can't power it off with this button. So, yeah, so it looks like we have something wrong with the flex cable coming up here, because I do know that on this side of the Switch Lite, there's a daughter board and there's two cables that plug into there. One of the cables are those buttons. So let's get into it here and have a look and see what's what here. I'm gonna have to get the connector off. The ripped off connector is right here, as you can see. I'll have to see if that's going to be salvageable or not. I hope it is. And then we'll figure it out from there.
Harder and harder to achieve whatever you trying to. You know what I'm saying? Pushing, keep pushing. Harder and harder to achieve whatever you trying to achieve. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's right, y'all. It's your boy Trey signing off.
Grew up on these, man. Oldies but goodies, I guess.